Hey there, Coach Clarence here, and in this video I'm going to talk about an old-fashioned piece of wisdom. It's one that I find incredibly motivating, and you'll probably resonate with this as well too. So this piece of wisdom dates back at least a century, and while it might seem like it's only applies to chores and things around the house, it actually applies to any big change you want to make in your life. So I wanted to share this wisdom with you and give you some insight on this thing. Since we're at the start of the new year, I thought it was pretty timely to talk about it now and how it can affect you, okay? So here's the saying. You guys are going to think this is silly, but it's very powerful and profound when you think about it. And that saying is, it's easier to clean a clean house. Now, on the surface, you might think, well, that's really simple. And it's obviously meant to be meaningful, but hang with me, don't give up on me. What it really means is that the small, consistent things you do consistently are what makes the biggest difference. Not seesawing back and forth between doing nothing and then doing everything. There's got to be some balance that you find in your life. Now, let's say you were looking to make a really big change in your health or fitness this year, which most people are, right? That's what people do, right? Rather than pushing yourself with long, hard workouts, deprivation diets, or overhaul your entire life, that's impossible to stick with, folks. You're not going to make it. That's not how it works. It means just starting where you are. Don't expect yourself to go from 0 to 100 or off the couch to running a 10-minute mile in a week or two. It's not going to work. I want you to instead focus on slow and steady progress. Slow, steady progress. Day-to-day activity and actions that help you get to your goal. Okay? That way it won't feel like you have a huge mountain to climb. Simple steps. One step at a time, one rep at a time, one meal at a time. Plus, you'll feel great about your progress and you'll be amazed at the improvements you've made. There's nothing more motivating than that, like those small, simple victories. Okay? But even better, as you gain momentum, you'll start to do more and it'll feel easier. Plus, this approach makes it easier to keep up with your new habits over time. Promise you. AKA easier to clean a clean house. That's where that saying fits in. Let me ask you a question. What motivates you? I'd love to know about it. Drop me a comment or DM me and let me know. I'm always curious to see what motivates people. And if you're ready to make some real significant changes to your health and fitness, be sure to send me a message or reply to this video. Also, remember to hit that like button, please. Hit that like button. That helps the channel out. And share this information with whoever you feel it would help. And if you're not already a subscriber, hit that gray button there. Hit the gray button, select all, notification. Get notified every time I drop a video. That way you're in the loop when anything happens. And you can stay up on what's everything fitness. All right, thanks for watching. Make it a great day. And I'll talk with you guys all soon.